Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Social Science with Dipankar. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic from your chapter Rise of Nationalism in Europe. Unification of Britain. Unification of Britain जो है बच्चों इस बात को ध्यान से समझना कि जो ये पॉइंट्स लिखे हुए उसी के ऊपर आपको आंसर करना है। ब्रिटेन जो है, ब्रिटेन की अगर हिस्ट्री को हम डिस्कस करेंगे तो देयर वाज नो ब्रिटिश नेशन प्रायर टू द 18th century. They only had ethnic identities like the English, the Welsh, the Scot and the Irish. Okay, but as the English grew in wealth and power, it exerted dominance over the other island members. Okay, and what happened, a very important incident that happened there was British Parliament seizing power from the monarchy in 1688. British Parliament ने क्या किया, unlike Germany and Italy, यहाँ पर British Parliament power seize करती है, किनसे सीज करती है, मोनार्की से, इन 1688 में. और दिस प्लेड ए वेरी इंस्ट्रूमेंटल रोल इन पेविंग द वे फॉर फॉर्मिंग द नेशन स्टेट with England at its center. Now you see the Act of Unions in 1707 between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain. Though England was very dominant over Scotland, the Scottish people, they tried to resist it, but every time they tried to raise their voice, it was brutally suppressed. They were not allowed to wear their national dress, they were not allowed to speak their national language, and many of them were forcibly driven out of their country. Then Ireland also faced a similar fate. It was forcibly incorporated into the United Kingdom of Great Britain in 1801. Ireland was a country which was deeply divided between Catholic and Protestants, and the English, they supported the Protestants to have the dominance over a largely Catholic country, that is Ireland. So there was a conflict. No, the people of Ireland, though they resisted the English domination, right? Wolfe Tone, who led the movement, but that was brutally suppressed. His United Irishmen, that was also suppressed, and after that आयरलैंड वॉज फोर्सिबली इनकॉर्पोरेटेड. आयरलैंड को भी जबरदस्ती जो है यूनाइटेड किंगडम ऑफ ग्रेट ब्रिटेन में शामिल कर दिया गया. इस तरह से एक नया ब्रिटिश नेशन बनता है विद न्यू सिंबल, जो वहाँ का नेशनल एंथम है गॉड सेव आवर नोबल किंग, और ब्रिटिश फ्लैग, यूनियन जैक, और इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को प्रमोट किया गया. और जो बाकी जो मेंबर कंट्रीज थे, दे सर्वाइव्ड ओनली एज सबऑर्डिनेट पार्टनर्स. ऑन ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स ओनली यू हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन that is most often asked in the board exams also. Thank you so much.